and this is an ankle warm-up. Now think of drawing your sides in. You can't really pull in easily with a belly, but think of the sides like you're cinching in your waist with like a belt. So that's activating your obliques, the internal obliques and the transverse abdominis. And just keep going. Just a little ankle foot warm up. Now next, bring your legs wide apart. Let's bring the hands on the hips and bend the knees and stretch. Bend the knees, press into your heels as you straighten. And go 3, let's do this 8 times. 4. Think of growing taller. So your tailbone's reaching down to the floor. Don't let your bum stick out. You know, that's really easy when you're pregnant. 2 more. Bend, stretch, bend and stretch.